What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. I know the setting might look a little different because the past couple of days I've been just, making videos in my bathroom. I haven't been in the garage in a minute to make a video for you guys, besides when I'm doing TikToks. I know you guys been enjoying my TikTok videos, so I'm gonna keep them coming, but today's gonna be a little different. I'm gonna react to some wave checks and everything, and I'm gonna critique them, but this time it's not going to be on TikTok. There's going to be a longer video. If you ready for this, let's get right into this video. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Alright guys, so the page I'm going to be reacting to this on is Jerron Flex on him. So big shout out to Jerron Flex on him. I'm gonna have his the video link down in the description. I'm giving him a big shout out because it makes it easier for me to just react, because he got all the compilations just all over here. But the one we're gonna react to today is this one right here. He uploaded it 3 days ago. I'm gonna get his video a like, you feel me? Because I'll be needing them likes. I know how it feels to get some likes, you feel me? Let's just get right into this video. Alright, so first wave check right here. First wave check. Put the volume down real quick. That's a velvet do-rag. See a couple of forks, man. You need to work on them forks. You forked up right now, man. You got mad forks. I'm saying forks, YouTube. Please don't take this video down. I'm not cursing. I'm saying F-O-R-K-S. Forks, alright? Got the 540 with the swirl. That's what I'm trying to get, but hey, still got a lot of work to do, but he's spinning. He definitely spinning. I'll be seeing him on YouTube. I mean, not YouTube, on Instagram. I forgot his name, but yeah, he definitely spinning. Got a couple of forks though. He got to break them forks, but yeah, man. 360 Jeezy. You already know 360 Jeezy, man. Come on, Jeezy. You taking too long, Jeezy. Alright, there we go. Hey, it's the old Jeezy. I see a fork back there, Jeezy. You wasn't doing your thing back. You had a fork, alright? You wasn't flawless, because that fork right there was holding you back. Alright? Now you done grow your hair out. I don't know when you coming back, but you need to come back soon, man. You need to come back soon. You got a fork right there behind the ear, a little bit behind the ear. You feel me? You got two forks you need to work on. So you wasn't perfect. You feel me? You feel me? You wasn't flawless. Okay. But I definitely would like to see more hair on top of his head. Because the more hair, you break forks when you have more hair. Alright, just when you wolfing it, it's just a whole lot better. Woo! Okay. He like a medium. Yo, that's a medium hair right there, but he's like closer to like straight hair. He's like in the middle of medium and straight. Okay. I see just a tiny bit of overcurling on the crown area. He look like he a low man. He a low kid right there, man. Spinning on him. Okay, these nice right here. These are super nice. I didn't really get to see the other side, so I don't know. It probably was booty on the other side though. I got the fresh cut. I think he cut it too low, man. That looked like a 1.5. I mean, that shape up sharp though, man. That barber know what he doing, but that's decent, man. Just work on that crown, work on them forks, and just wolf. That's all I gotta say about that. Why are you looking at me like that? Bruh, chill. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We on our way to 50K, baby. Just get it. Yo. Oh, he got two do-rags on. Okay, hey, pull them pants up, bruh. Bruh, pull your... Nobody wanna see all that nonsense? Nah, bruh. I'm about to hike on you now. Forks all over your head, bro. Pull them pants up, bro. Nobody want to see all that nonsense, bro. I'm not even gonna rate him. No, I'm not even gonna critique him, because he done got me mad before we even started. My boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You already knew he was spinning, man. Wave Poppy with the spins. 360 Bori. No, I said 360 Bori. It's Bori 360. Bori 360 with the Nike do-wag on. You feel me? Let me see that on-rack, Bori. Woo! Best straight hair wave I know, man. Matter of fact, if he's not the best, he's one of the best. I ain't gonna say best. He one of the best wavers straight hair wavers I know. You feel me? Junk Shoki, boy. It's probably hot over there because you don't got no shirt on. Hot, man. Yo, that do-rag messed up, boy. That do-rag done up. Get your 2.6 King Wave, man. Link in my description. Let's get it. Use discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off. Let's get it. You feel me? But nah, dude. That do-rag really done up. Just throw it in the garbage, man. Seriously. Oh my god. You know what? I'm convinced that the people that have the messed up do-rag like that got the best spinners, yo. Their waves just spinning. If your do-rag not, you know, matter of fact, nutrient, if your do-rag not ripped up, you ain't spinning, bro. You ain't flawless if your do-rag not ripped up like that. That's crazy, bro. That's junk deep. Hey, chill. My man's was like this, bro. I don't play that. Yo, the Baldy Babe, of course, man. She's spinning, man. One of the best female wavers out there. Okay. I mean, I'm trying to see a wave check. I don't want to see her comb. So you feel me? Huh? That junk silky, boy. That lineup silky, crispy. I said silky. That lineup all crispy and John. Oh. Yo, he really, that junk got me, bro. That junk got me. I was about to say some nonsense, but I'm not gonna say it. But I could barely see the waves because of the blue and the pink. I don't know. I mean, I could see it a little bit, but I just can't really see it to the point where I'm like, you flawless, you spinning. I can't even see the forks. I know he got forks, but I couldn't really see it. He definitely need to work on his pattern, cause there's mad forks on that jump. Mad forks. Yeah, combing really helps a lot with detangling your hair, man. Detangling your hair, getting rid of dry scalp, getting rid of dead hairs, you know, lifting up your hair, detangling, putting your hair back into place. Combing plays a huge role in all that, man. So that's why you need a comb. And if y'all don't know what plastic bag is just laying your hair down. It's laying your hair down with last time I said kinetic energy. It's not kinetic energy, guys. It's static, I think. Static energy. It's just like, you know, when your hair, when you get around electricity, your hair starts to like lift up. The plastic bag does the opposite. It kind of like takes the hairs that's lifted up and it lays it down. I don't know if y'all understand what I'm saying, but the plastic bag really helps with that, man. So if y'all haven't tried a plastic bag, try it. My boy Bill's IG. My boy. I said Bill's IG, Bill's YG. I used to call him Bill Sig when I didn't know who he was, but he definitely spinning. He got them spinners, man. He got them spinners, man. This old, so he probably already fixed his pattern, man. But yo, that junk silky, man. What in the world? Little ninja. You got a wolf. Yeah, you definitely got a wolf, man. Wolf, and just cut your hair down to a 2. He remind me of Immortal JMD. If y'all don't know who that is, he like one of the best wavers out right now. Okay, not close to the Baldy Babe, but okay, spinning. The Baldy Babe, it's like she like on a different level, man. She got a couple of forks she need to work on right there. Okay, she on rag with the portrait screen recording on. Yo, come on, take the do-rag off, man. Ah. Okay, the front had me a little bit, but when you showed the back, okay, it kind of you need to work on your crown and just wolfing is gonna take care of all of that, man. If you want your waves to be dope, you gotta wolf. This junk almost done. We got 1 more minute. That's nice though. Alright, y'all, thank you all for watching. That is it for this video. I just wanted to give that reaction a try and see how this video does. You know, just let me know what y'all think in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like. And if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button for your boy. We are on our way to 100K, baby. 100K. Let's get it. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm out of here. Peace.